Hey everybody, so welcome back to our channel. Today I'm doing something very different. I'm doing a DIY scalp scrub. And this video was inspired by, it's the DP, hold on, let's see if it'll, here we go. The dpHUE ACV, which is apple cider vinegar scrub. And this thing is $38, so we're gonna do it for less than $5. The only thing that I don't have from this, because they use the apple cider vinegar and pink Himalayan sea salt, and they have avocado oil, but I'm gonna use olive oil because I couldn't find avocado oil at my Walmart, so we're gonna use that. But it's pretty much the same thing. So I am going to make my own. I got the pink Himalayan sea salt and the apple cider vinegar just now, and I already had olive oil here, which most people already have that in their homes, so I didn't really include that. I just included the stuff that people would have to go out and buy. So anywho, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna in this little intro, and then I'm gonna show you how I make it in a bowl, and then we're gonna apply it to my head. I might do this hair tutorial after I finish washing my hair. It's very dirty right now, and I didn't really refresh it because I wanted to get my products first for my scalp scrub before I, redo my hair and all of that, and it's dirty anyway. So I already have it in this type of, I put it in this type of hairstyle because it's already sectioned off, so I can do the scalp scrub in each section. So I'm gonna just take it down one section, one section, one section, and one section to make sure that I thoroughly saturate my hair with the scrub. So stay tuned, I will be back in a second. All right, so here we're gonna start off with the bowl. We're gonna add in the pink Himalayan sea salt. This is from Walmart. It is $2.98, so we're gonna go a little heavy-handed with this because I want it to be coarse. So then we're gonna go in with apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna pour, I'm just kind of like eyeballing it to see how much I want. I did go in with more later. Nah, drop the olive oil cap in there, so let me dig that out. Oh my god. So I'm going in with the olive oil, and I'm also eyeballing this too to just kind of see how much I want because it does look watery. I'm gonna just kind of feel and see what texture I want. Then I'm gonna go back in with some more of the Himalayan sea salt because I want it to be a little bit more like gritty. And so I'm gonna pour that in there. I did end up going in and putting more apple cider vinegar in there. So we're all done here. Now it's time to apply. Hey everybody, so I already kind of started I already took this section down. This is my bowl full of my scrub. I have a spoon because I did mix it up already, but it's already made. I hate the smell of apple cider vinegar, so, but you gotta do it for beauty purposes, and I'm just gonna deal with the smell. So anyways, I'm gonna start off with this little section and kind of just go in and really scrub. It is kind of messy, but I gotta clean up today anyway, so it's okay to get in there. I suffer from like dry scalp, so this is really good. It feels good to do. As you can see, I'm getting really in there. I really like to do the front because that's where I have like really dry skin. But this is really good to do because I'm doing it before. As you can see, I'm kind of scrubbing kind of hard. It's getting a little red, but it's exfoliating, so. I probably should have used a little bit more apple cider vinegar. Hey you guys, so I'm back. So I'm on this side now. I did add about another tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar, so it made it a little bit more liquidy, and I keep mixing it as I go. I found that it's easier to scoop with a spoon and then lay it on the section that you want to do, because it does get messy. By the way, If you just cleaned your floors, do not do this, because the Himalayan salt, it dissolves in the apple cider vinegar, but not enough to where it won't make a mess all over your floor. So just an FYI. So I'm kind of getting really good in there, making sure I scrape off all of that dead skin. And then I'm going to wash my hair. I'm not going to do my hair tutorial today, well, in this video, but I am going to do another video when I re-braid my hair and show you guys how I do the braided bun. So I'm going to finish this up, and then when I wash my hair, I'm going to show you the products that I use, you guys. So now that I look like a fool with this weird bun on my head, I just rinsed out all of the apple cider vinegar and Himalayan salt. My hair, actually, when I was rinsing it out, it felt really soft. It was really weird. My scalp feels really clean. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my hair and put a deep conditioner in. Well, it's an intensive, yeah, deep conditioning treatment in my hair, and let that sit for about 30 minutes. I'm using this shampoo that I talked about in my Dollar Tree haul, the one and only Color Oasis clarifying shampoo, because I want to make sure that I get all of the scrub off my hair. It removes all this buildup, and this stuff works really, really good. If you ever get a chance to use it, make sure you do. It's so good. And then I'm going to go in with my Cream of Nature argan oil intensive conditioning treatment. This stuff is really good too. It says to put a plastic cap over your head and sit under the dryer for 10-15 minutes. I accidentally left my dryer by my mom's house, so I'm just gonna let this sit for 30 minutes under a cap, and then let it just kind of go into my scalp and my hair like that. So I'm gonna wash my hair real quick and then put this in, and I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so now I'm gonna go in with the Color Oasis shampoo, and I'm gonna work that in twice because the apple cider vinegar smell was very, very, very strong. So I'm gonna go in and scrub that in really good, and then as you can see, I am gonna be getting the nape area really well because that's where I get a lot of dry skin. And now I'm going to work it in the front because I also get dry skin in the front too. And so I'm going to go in a second time with the shampoo and make sure that I got all of the salt and scrub out, and just make sure now that I'm actually clarifying and actually washing my hair too. I do that anyways. When I'm washing my hair, I'll make sure that I go and wash one time just to kind of loosen up the debris, and then I'll go back again to make sure that I actually wash my scalp. It's very important that I do this because if not, I will have flakes and stuff like that in the end, and that is not cute. Okay, so now you guys, I'm gonna go in with the argan oil treatment by Cream of Nature. I use a lot of conditioner, as you can see, and I'm actually gonna go back in more to put in my hair. Y'all, I love conditioner, and my hair is super, super thick, so I have to use a lot. I start off at the ends and then I work my way up. I don't go all the way to my scalp because product does build up onto my scalp very, very, very easily. So I make sure that I don't do that area. I just focus on, and you're not supposed to do that anyway. You don't go all the way up to your scalp, but some people do. So I just kind of go from my ear, the top of my ears downward. So now I'm going in with my shower cap. I already put the scrunchie on, so now I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. I'm sitting here singing Bruno Mars and thinking I could dance. What is wrong with me? All right, so I am using a shirt instead of a towel to dry my hair. I'm gonna be putting this keratin mist from CHI. I've been using this since high school, y'all. This keratin mist from CHI first. I'm gonna be putting this all over my hair in sections, and then for my heat protectant, I'm gonna be using the Silk Elements olive heat protectant spray. I'm gonna finish drying my hair, And then I'm gonna come back on and show you how I blow dry my hair. All right, so I just blow dried this side, and I don't want it to be perfect. I kind of want it to be fluffy like this, because when I do the bun and the braids, I kind of want it to be thicker, so I kind of leave it this way. But my scalp feels really good. It feels very, very clean. And oh, I meant to tell you guys that I put a leave-in conditioner in. This one, Shea Butter from Cantu, their leave-in conditioner. I put that in. I put the Chi Keratin Mist, and then I put this in, the Silk Elements. And oh, and I meant to tell you too, this is kind of like the generic kind, but this is the Chi Silk Infusion Silk Reconstructing Complex. And this stuff makes your hair very, very silky. It is thick and kind of like heavy, but for a style like this, I kind of like that. It's about like a nickel size amount, and it's more than enough for just all of this. So I'm gonna do this side, and I'll be right back.
You guys, so I don't know why I can sing or dance, but I'm listening to Bruno Mars, Versace on the Floor. I love me some Bruno, okay? So anyways, I am going to go ahead with my blow dryer. I already put in the Silk Elements heat protectant and the Chi Silk Infusion to soften my hair. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, blow dry this section. I can't talk. Blow dry this section until I get it to an amount that I want it to be at. I don't want it super, super dry, but I don't really care if it's a little damp, because I find that how I leave it at the end is easier for me to braid. I like it to be a little bit thicker and like voluminous. Is that a word? Volumized. Anyways, volumized, because it ends up going really, really well with the braided hairstyle.
So I just finished this side, and now I am gonna wrap this video up, because like I said, my next video is going to be how I style this with the braided bun. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like some of these products. Let me know if you've used any of these products, and let me know if you guys try out the DIY scrub on your scalp. This feels so good, and it feels even better that I didn't have to buy a $38 Himalayan scrub. I know what's in my ingredients. I made it, and so it's a lot easier and cheaper, or less expensive, than going and buying one. You have some of these products in your home, mix it in a bowl, apply it to your scalp, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it out and do your normal routine. Simple as that. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you like these videos, if you want to see more of these videos, if you want me to try a different scrub that you recommend. Let me know in the comments down below, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Bye.